In a quaint village, young Rees often watched his grandfather, Mr. Hart, tending to his garden. One day, Rees felt discouraged because he wanted to grow a giant sunflower but didn't know how. "Grandpa, I'll never make it grow," he sighed, staring at the tiny seeds in his hand. Mr. Hart smiled and said, "Let me tell you a story. When I was your age, I wanted to grow the tallest sunflower too. I planted my seeds and watered them every day, but at first, nothing happened. I was ready to give up." "What did you do?" Rees asked, intrigued. "I realized that every plant needs time and care," Mr. Hart explained. "So I kept watering and talking to my seeds. Slowly, they sprouted. After weeks of patience, I had the tallest sunflower in the village." Inspired, Rees decided to plant his seeds that very day. He watered them, talked to them, and waited patiently. Weeks passed, and finally, a tall sunflower emerged, reaching for the sky. "See, Rees," his grandfather said, beaming. "With patience and perseverance, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Never give up on your dreams." Rees nodded, feeling proud and motivated.